subscribers, welcome back to Beauty Health, also known as EYEBROW. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my eyebrow routine because I've been promising like all 2019. I was promising an eyebrow routine and then like I never like really delivered on it because like every time I filmed it, I just didn't like how it looked. So we're going to try again on the new year and the new decade. Sorry about that. Let me turn my sound off on my phone. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. And if you see I'm wearing the same thing in the next two videos, it's because I'm filming 3 videos today in the same day just because I have a lot of free time on my hand. So I just thought why not film some YouTube videos and knock some out. So just in case when I start school back up, I can have some more content just in case if I don't have enough time to create content. Anyway, I'm getting off track. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an eyebrow routine. Everything that I'm using in this eyebrow routine is pretty much drugstore, so you can get it at the drugstore. My eyebrow routine is really less than $10, so you're not spending an arm and a leg. No expensive products, all cheap and drugstore, but good, cheap, quality products because we want quality products. So before we hop right into the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for more makeup tutorials and makeup videos in the future. Also, don't forget to subscribe and join our family because it's free, and I love each and one of you guys and everybody who watches my videos, and I would love to grow with you guys. And if you are subscribed today, don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, because I upload every Sunday, but when I'm on breaks and stuff and during the summertime, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday, and I wouldn't want you to miss out, especially because the YouTube algorithm these days freaking sucks. So that's all I have to say for the intro, and let's just hop right into the brow routine. Alright, so before we hop right into the brow routine, I just thought I'd show you what products I thought I would show you what products I like to use for my eyebrows, and what what do I like to use to apply for my eyebrows. So the first one I use is this ELF brow pencil, and I believe it's like $2 or $3, and you can get this at Walmart, Ulta, and anywhere else where they sell ELF, Target as well. Sometimes if I'm not using this ELF brow pencil, I do like to go in with the NYX micro brow pencil, and this is what it looks like, the NYX micro brow pencil. I like to use this. This time I use this shade Chocolate, but it's not really like, I didn't really like this shade Chocolate. I wanted to try a less deeper shade. Usually I go for like the black one because I just use it to outline, so I prefer the black. But this one is, it says $10 on here, but you can catch it on sale sometimes. Usually these are like $12, but you can get this at Ulta, Walmart, and Target and other places where they sell NYX, and sometimes the prices just range, but it's really not expensive. So it's like, I would say between maybe $8 and $12, maybe $10, but yeah. And then for the next product, I like to go in with this lock-on liner and brow cream. This is also by ELF, and this is in the shade Espresso, and it's just a dip brow. And then this is what it looks like. I really like this. This is literally freaking $3 at Walmart, and I've literally almost had this for a little bit over 2 years now, and I still have not used all of it, and it hasn't even dried up on me. So I really recommend this. For referral, this is the ultimate brow product for the drugstore right here. This pomade, $3. ELF was coming through with this because I was thinking about trying out Anastasia brow dip pomade, but girl, that price tag, I was like, I don't think I could do it for some brows when my ELF is doing the same thing for $3. Alright, and to apply my eyebrow, to help do my eyebrows, I like to use the ELF eyebrow duo brush, and this is just what it looks like in the packaging. It's like $3 or so, but outside of the packaging, this is what it looks like. It just has a angle. Let me zoom in real quick so you guys can see it. It's just like angle, and then on the other end it has a spoolie. And then while I'm still zoomed in, hi guys, to conceal my brows, I like to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, the high definition concealer, and this is in the shade Toffee, and this is what it looks like. I really like this. It's like $3 or $4, and I got this at my local beauty supply store. So I'm gonna zoom right back out, and that's pretty much all the products that I like to use on my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in on my eyebrows. and really go in detail and show you how I fill in my eyebrows, because it is more of a process for me now. Because if you haven't noticed, I'm gonna zoom y'all guys back in, sorry about that. If you haven't noticed this little guy, there's a cut in this eyebrow, and this eyebrow is completely regular. If you want a story time behind I got this slit in my eyebrow, I would definitely do it. If you just leave it down below. If you want the story time, just comment coconut. Alright, so let's get into this brow routine. Alright, so let's get right into this brow routine. I have my little handy dandy mirror here so I can still look at the same time. So if you see me looking down, it's because I have my mirror right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my e.l.f. product, my e.l.f. brow pencil. On this end it has a spoolie, and then on this end is where the brow product is at. And you just literally like freaking twist it. I just like to go in first, and I like to spoolie my eyebrow. And I'm doing the bad eyebrow on camera too, guys. The freaking bad eyebrows on camera is the one that I'm doing. And I just like to spoolie my eyebrows. Spoolie, spoolie, spoolie. And I try to do them upwards. And then I flip the pencil. And then I go ahead and draw a line under. And I try to start like where my brow is the darkest. So I don't know if you can tell, but like right here, this little part is the lightest part of my brow, where I'm drawing a circle at. This is the lightest part, so I like to start the line here, so that way it's not as harsh and I can get more like that ombre faded type brow look. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw that line right under my brow. Okay, let's do the other one. And if the line is too harsh in the front, I will just flip it and do it with the spoolie. Or sometimes I use the spoolie that's on the Duo brow brush. Sometimes I use this spoolie just because it's a little smaller, and I just like that I can't really get in there. Now that we have our lines done on the bottom, we're going to do the same thing on the top. So I like to brush the hairs down and draw my line. And like the same thing, I like to start more in the middle and then fade the line out in the front, so it's not harsh and you don't have like a squared off brow, because personally for me that does not look good for my brow type. And sometimes I like to lift up and arch my brow, because I feel like sometimes I just get the better shape that way when I do that. So that's what I'm doing. Ta-da! And let's do the other side. And go in at the top and also fade out the top line and the bottom line in the front of the brow, so that way it's not harsh. Alright, and that's all I usually do with this brow product. I interchange the e.l.f. one and the NYX. When I run out of e.l.f., I use the NYX one, because these e.l.f. brow pencils, they really don't come with a lot of product. So like this is how much I have left. They don't really come with that much product, so I just really like keeping the NYX one just for a backup, but I really prefer the e.l.f. one, and it's cheaper. So I mean, I'd rather have a cheaper product and go through it quicker than have an expensive product and go through it quicker, if that makes sense. So now I'm just gonna go through my brow pomade, the e.l.f. one, and I like to go through and spoolie my brows thoroughly, just to make sure everything is in line with the outlines I just put in place. So the top and bottom line act as an outline of where to put the product in, and I just take this end of the brush and I dip it into the brow pomade. I get some up there, and then just like the brows, I start to fill in the middle. You want to start filling in the middle. You don't want to start right in the front, because if you do that, your brows will be way too harsh and you won't have that faded braid look. And then I just go ahead and fill in it, and I do light strokes upward. And then when I get to the back of the tail of my eyebrow, I like to do light strokes going down. And I really like this because it kind of helps cover up my little scars, and that way my eyebrows can see normal. So I just do little flicks upward. And sometimes if I feel like that, if I want a darker brow, I would usually go over and outline with the brow pomade as well. That's usually if I'm doing a more darker brow or a more dramatic eye look that day. But if I'm just going for like a natural everyday brow, I like to try to keep it simple and like really natural. So doing this really helps. And then I like to take the extra product and just flick it towards the front and create light hair strokes, which gives me like that braided, that faded brow look, as you can tell. See, there we go. Look at, she coming together. And now let's do the back of the tail of the eyebrow. Sometimes doing this one is really difficult because I have the slit, so sometimes it makes it just difficult to fill in my eyebrows. But I just really try to take my time when trying to cover and do the slit part. It doesn't get completely covered, but as long as it's covered enough, I can take it. And now that we have this brow, so this brow is basically done. I just don't like how it gets shaped sometimes because it can look weird. But once I clean it out and everything, it's going to look fine, because just because I have that slit, it makes it just hard to fill in my eyebrows, and it makes it look like I have more product. But once I go through and carve out my brows, they look way much better because this is just excess product sitting there because of the slit. So let's go ahead and do the other side. And our eyebrows are done. And before I completely finish, I like to go in and just go to the front and just really spoolie out the eyebrows to make sure everything is natural in the front. And that's how my eyebrows look right now, without them carved out or anything. You see, they look bad, like bad as in a good bad. And I forgot to mention 2 products, but it's okay. I'm going to grab them really quick. I have to grab them because these are very essential to my products. So I like to use a brush like this to blend out the concealer. A brush like this. People usually use like a flat brush, but I don't prefer that. And then I like to also go in with this e.l.f. brow and mascara. Both of these. This is $2. It's literally $2. And I just like to use this to set my brow. I completely forgot about it because sometimes I set my brows and sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I feel. But first I carve out my eyebrows. And to carve them out, I just use the concealer that I showed you. And I just take whatever left over. Just take whatever's left over. And I use the very tip of the concealer to trace a line first underneath the eyebrows, so that way it can be very, very, very sharp. A sharp, clean, crisp line. And after I feel like I have that sharp, clean, crisp line, I like to just go in and then just place the whole brush right under. So that way I'm getting more product, so then it's easier for me to blend out that concealer. So once I do that, I go in and I take this brush and I just go through, I go in little circles, and I just go through and just conceal the brow in very small circles, and then I swing it back and forth as well until I get the desired look that I like. And then I take the extra concealer and then I just swirl it right in the very, very front, just to help it stay more faded. And let's go ahead and do the same thing to the other side of the eyebrow. And these are my freaking eyebrows. This is what they look like. Now that we have carved them out, let's go in with the eyebrow. Wait, what is... I'm just going to call it the eyebrow gel, even though it's not really that. So, I used all the actual eyebrow side. So, I went in, I started using the lash side too. Like, it really does the same thing. And before I was using this, I was just using clear mascara anyway. That was like $2, so Wet n Wild. And I feel like it really does the same thing as a brow setting product. So, I don't feel the need to like... Sorry about that, my thing stopped recording, but I placed the brows up here, the brow gel, and I just let them dry. So sometimes to speed up the drying process, I just like get like a paper or something, I just kick my hands and I just go like this. But eyebrows are done. This is what they look like. I will put a little, I don't know. I was going to do it before and after, but I think you could tell. As you can see, this brow looks way nicer than this brow because I have the slip, but it really takes me longer to do this eyebrow than this one because this one, there's nothing wrong with it. But I really be liking how even my brows look because like they really be looking like sisters and not cousins, like twin sisters. So, alright, that's all I have for you guys. I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I love all you guys all the way to the moon and back, and I really hope you enjoyed my brow routine. I don't really like posting makeup tutorials because I feel like I'm really bad at them. So yeah, I need to hurry up because my camera is finna freaking die. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you guys all the way to the moon and back, and then I see you in the next upload. Stay positive, stay healthy, and I love each and every single one of you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I see you in the next upload. Peace.